I just want to bless Almighty God for giving me the grace to face us again, because it's only a person who is alive that can come and talk on the screen, and it's only a person who is alive that can watch whatever we are saying and still comment or do anything. So let's thank God that you and I can see ourselves again. Okay, so guys, let's go into today's video. I want to talk about 3 products that can clear your acne effectively, especially for people with oily face, people with oily acne prone face. If you have a dry skin, this video is not for you. You know, I will always tell you the truth, because if you follow these tips, it might increase your acne because of the presence of the product I'll be mentioning. So if you have a dry skin, please don't follow this tip. I'm going to look for time to make a video for people with dry skin. Okay, now if you have somebody who has an oily skin, you are a dry skin person and you have somebody who has an oily skin, you can stay and watch this video for the person and, you know, share it with them so you can help them out. So there are precautions you need to take if you have an oily skin and it's acne prone skin, or you have an oily skin and you have acne, or it's just an oily skin. There are precautions you need to take. The first precaution is try and understand why your face is producing more oils, why you are breaking out. So if you have a stressor out there, or you have something you are eating, or you have something you are taking, or is it the lotion you are using that is making you to be prone to acne frequently, try to understand that so that you can avoid it. Now, the second thing you want to do is how to reduce acne on your face, how to reduce the oils on your face. You want to take precaution on that. You want to understand how, and to understand how is to study your face very well, to know the product your face needs so that you can help your face to reduce those acne. Now, the third and most important thing you want to do is you want to know these products you want to use. Can you use them during the day, or can you use them at night? It is very, very important. If the product you are to use is supposed to be used for the day and you use it at night, you have issues. If the product is supposed to be used at night and use it during the day, you are going to have issues. And that is why you hear people saying that I've started using this thing and my acne is becoming worse, like I'm breaking out more. So please keep in mind these 3 points I've given you. Now let's go to the product. The first product you want to look for is a face wash that contains niacinamide and salicylic acid. Niacinamide and salicylic acid, at least 2% salicylic acid. Now here is the thing. Please, if you are using a face wash that contains niacinamide and salicylic acid, make sure to use a moisturizer and a sunscreen afterwards, because salicylic acid and ultraviolet rays from the sun are not friends at all. They are not in any good times at all. So if you use salicylic acid and you go under the sun, you are going to cause a chaos, and your face is going to suffer the fight between the both of them. In other words, salicylic acid should not be used during the day, and if you must use it during the day, use a good sunscreen. But for niacinamide, you can use niacinamide day and night, because it helps you a lot during the day and it helps you a lot at night. It is a versatile cosmetic agent, so you can use it any time of the day. It helps you to relax at night. It warms up your face during the day so that you can push out debris, while at night it helps you to relax so that the further exfoliation of debris on your face can be done by salicylic acid. And it can also, niacinamide can also help you to close your open pores, because if your pores are too open, you will keep breaking out, because you keep producing more sebums and you keep breaking out. Now, the next product you want to look for is a niacinamide face serum. I would have said look for a salicylic acid face serum, but I'm not sure if you will be able to keep to the precaution of using salicylic acid only at night. But if you know you can use your salicylic acid only at night, please get a salicylic acid serum and a niacinamide serum. Use the niacinamide during the day and use the salicylic during the night. You can even use the both at night, but only niacinamide during the day. And please, before wearing any heavy serum on your face, because some of us have lots of serums in our skincare routine, like up to 4 serums in our skincare routine, make sure your niacinamide serum sits first on your face before you start to wear your heavy serums. If not, your niacinamide will not perform the duty it is supposed to perform on your face. So please, wear your niacinamide serum first before your heavy serum, so it can penetrate your skin easily. Now, the third thing you want to do before the third one, when I was mentioning the precautions. I didn't warn you not to prick your face again. Please don't poke your face again. Don't pinch blackheads and the rest. You keep giving yourself more spots. Don't do it. Do not prick your face. Do not poke your face. If you do that while you're having acne, you're going to be breaking out more and you'll be having visible spots on your face. Please try and avoid that so that you can be that clean chick you want to be. Now, the third product you are to use is not sold in the market. You are the one that can sell it to yourself. The third product that can help you to achieve results with all these things I've mentioned is patience. Patience is a virtue. It's a virtue and it's the third one. Please be patient while you are using this product. And I bet you within the period of 12 to 16 weeks, your face is already looking charming. So guys, follow these tips. Share with your friends that you know are breaking out. I'm telling you, it's going to work for them. And don't forget to tell them about the precautions. It's as important as the products you are buying. Guys, I'll see you again in my next video. Bye for now.